The 3D cursor also works with 2D UI elements. Let's try that. Create a new UI through GameObject, UI, button. This will create a button on a canvas and an event system. The button also appears immediately. When we play, we see that the button is above the hand cursor. In order to fix this problem, I only found one solution, which is it is required that the canvas uses the rendering mode screen space camera, so it does not work with overlay. Then we need a camera to be selected, and we simply use the main camera here. When we play now, the cursor is above our button. Okay. So let's switch into 2D mode and maximize this so that we can have a look at our UI component. Let's press the F button to find it. Here it is. And we simply put the button a little bit above so that we have it in the center of the scene. Now using the hand cursor on the button works basically exactly the same as for the 3D object. We select the button and we add a component of setCursor3D. Then we need to select the state, which is, for example, point. So that's it. If we play now and we point on the button, then we have the pointer 3D cursor. What's going on inside is that I'm still playing. My button component will automatically create an event trigger which hooks the required events. They are not visible here. I don't know exactly why the events listeners are not shown in the inspector, but anyway, they are just created automatically. When the playing is over, when you stop, the event trigger disappears. If you already have an event trigger, then nothing happens. So basically the idea is, if you have an event trigger, then you probably want to define the events yourself and you want to control how events are handled, and the script does not create automatic event triggers. So you can add your own logic here. If you want to change the cursor now additionally to whatever you do in your event trigger here, then you simply add a new event type. For example, pointer enter and pointer exit, and you simply hook the methods of the setCursor3D script here. Let's do that. Plus, we simply drag the setCursor script here, and then we select the function from setCursor3D, which is called onMouseEnter. Same for pointer exit, plus we drag the setCursor script here as object, and then setCursor3D onMouseExit. Play. Now the cursor changes, and you can simply create additional slots for whatever you want to do to trigger your custom events.